In this video I'll show you how you can make the clove hitch knot. This is a very quick, fast hitch type of knot where you need a standing something fixed around the knot to keep it together. A pole or a tree or any other object. Without it the knot falls apart. So put the rope, the working end, around your object, a pole, and then so I pull the rope from the right side, then I put it around again from the left side, like here, and now the key here, bringing the working end back on top of this pole. I pull it in the direction of the initial loop, so right side, left side, and then pull it through the right side. And now the clove hitch, it's ready to go. When you tighten it, it gets tighter. It's not very good for a permanent application, because if the tension on it changes a lot, it will tend to get loose. So I go right and around, and then left and around, and then right again. You can even do it the opposite. Just put around the object on the left side and then go right and then back on the left side. It's really up to you. You can even put it below. Here I did it below, you can't even see it. So now I will do it on top. So this is the working end. I bring it above to the left, and then when I bring it again outside towards the right, so they are overlapping each other like you see here. This is the key. And this is how the clove hitch works. So the working end, the short end of the rope, should be much longer than here. This is just to show you here how the rope looks like, but in a real scenario you would have it longer. Here I make it on a thicker rope, and it's not really useful to tie it on a rope. It's most useful on a fixed object like a pole or a tree, or even a part of your car, caravan, in the home, some fence, and that's the clove hitch there. It's perfect, this one. Exactly, really exactly how it should be. This is the signature look of the clove hitch. To untie the clove hitch, it's very easy. Just release the tension and you pull the working end slightly. There is a low chance that it gets jammed. This clove hitch knot, it's really easy to untie, because it might actually untie by itself, and really easy to tie back again if you need to. Let me know in the comment section below what videos with knots you would like to see, what knots you would like to see more about, or compare knots if you like to see what knot is better, one or the other. Also, if you want to see videos where I test the knot strengths even. Also, let me know in the comment section below which are your favorite knots. and what do you use them for? Where you use them, outside or camping, fishing, for the boat or car, or in the home. Thanks for watching and watch the next video.